Welcome to the Livestock Information Service, also known as LIS, the digital platform for reporting the movements of sheep, goat, and deer online. In this video, I will guide you through how to create a LIS account. Before you create your LIS account, you must be registered as a keeper with the Rural Payments Agency, who will allocate you a unique county parish holding number. You must also provide a valid email address to link to your CPH. If you haven't registered yet, please search for CPH on gov.uk to find out how to apply for a CPH number. To begin creating your LIS account, you will need to visit the Livestock Information website, livestockinformation.org.uk. On the home screen, click on the green button in the top section of the page labelled To Access LIS, which will take you onto the LIS homepage. Click on the Create Account/Sign In option, and once on the Sign In page, click the Create an Account link. On the Verify CPH number page, enter your 9-digit CPH number in the appropriate field, and click Verify CPH number. Please note, you must enter the forward slashes within your CPH number for it to be recognized. After verifying your CPH number, you will see a partially masked email address. If you recognize the email address, click the I can confirm this is my email address checkbox and click Continue. If you do not recognize the email address, please contact the LIS support team. After clicking Continue, you must now click Send Verification Code to receive a verification email. The email will contain a 6-digit verification code. Enter this into the code field displayed on your screen and click Verify Code to complete this step. If the email does not arrive after 2 minutes, click Send New Code. If the email remains undelivered, please contact the LIS support team. The final step to create your LIS account is to enter a unique password into the Create Password field. Please note your password must be between 8 and 16 characters long and adhere to the password rules displayed on the screen. Once you have created your password, re-enter the password in the Confirm Password field and click Create Account. You have now successfully created your LIS account and will be automatically signed in. If you have multiple CPH numbers registered to the same email address, then these should appear in the one account. If this is not the case, then please reach out to the LIS support team. The Livestock Information Service is free to use and easily accessible. There is a support team on hand to help you every step of the way. If you encounter any problems whilst trying to set up your LIS account, please contact the LIS support team. Join the digital movement and play your part in building resilience in our industry.